we're not even an hour into this trip and you're already bleeding.
That's how we roll. What's up?
No.
Are you nervous?
So nervous.
It's okay to be nervous.
I'm gonna sleep on the plane.
Yeah, it's an hour.
And then we can cut to a scene of you filming me sleeping on the plane passed out. Now we're up above the clouds, 3,500 meters.
We're in South Spain,
South
baby.
Spain, Switzerland, let's go.
So, Chris, I feel like we haven't really embraced the Swiss culture yet.
What's up?
Oh, never mind.
Oh shit!
What did you do?
I got shocked by something. Oh, that's electric.
Yeah, of course it is. You didn't know that?
No. It's sunrise here at Lake Como.
Hey dude, you call me and you tell me you need to get to the other side of the lake, I got you.
I don't even know if we're gonna make it to Innsbruck in time right now. Everything has gone so well until the last day. Oh,